Good day, I'm Charmaine Allyssa SERRANO from BSED English 1A, and today I'm going to answer the problem about home ownership. To start, let's define what home ownership means. So, home ownership or owner occupancy is a form of housing tenure where an individual known as the owner-occupier owns the home in which they reside. This home could be a house, an apartment, a condominium, or a housing cooperative. Essentially, it describes the legal state of owning one's place of residence, which often requires complex financial agreements like mortgage to finance. Now, I will apply these financial concepts to a specific real-world problem. Our problem states, Toyota Company is offering an 8% annual interest rate for 5 years on all their car units. Onay Abaduday, a businessman, decided to buy a Toyota Hilux for 1,200,000 pesos. So, find his monthly payment. We need to calculate the fixed monthly payment required to pay off this vehicle loan over the 5 years term. So, to solve for the monthly payments, we use the standard amortization formula. So, our principal is 1,200,000 pesos. Our annual interest rate is 8% or 0.08. And our monthly interest rate is 0.08. I-divide po siya sa 12, magiging siyang 0.006666667. And the total number of payments is 5 years. I-multiply siya sa 12 months. So, magiging 60 months. So, for our formula, so, M is equals to P divided by I, 1 plus I, N divided by 1 plus I, N minus 1. So, to solve this, first we're going to calculate the growth factor. Una, kanina, ikakalculate natin yung growth factor. So, ito yun. So, 1 plus I squared N. So, yung manual interest rate natin is 0.0066667. So, eto siya. I-add natin siya sa 1. Magiging sagot doon 1.0066667. I-square root natin siya ng 60. Ang lalabas doon is 1.48988457. So, next, ikakalculate natin yung numerator using the monthly rate. So, eto na yon sa formula. So, 1 plus I squared root N. So, yung monthly interest rate natin, yung 0.0066667, i-multiply natin siya dun sa sagot natin kanina dito, which is yung 1.48988457. Ayun na siya. So, multiply natin itong dalawa, 0.0066667 multiplied by 1.48988457 is equal to 0.0099932. So, then, we're going to calculate this one. So, 1 plus I squared root N minus 1. So, yung sagot natin kanina sa 1 plus I, itong 1.48988457, lalagyan lang natin siya doon. Ima-minus natin siya sa 1. Magiging sagot doon is 0.48988457. And now, finally, we're going to divide the numerator, which is this, to the denominator. And i-multiply natin siya by the principal amount of 1,200,000 pesos. So, by performing this calculation, so, to calculate this calculation, so our formula kanina is M is equals to P divided by the numerator and denominator. So, itong N is equal to Our principal is 1,200,000 pesos. I-multiply divided by numerator. Sagot natin kanina dito, 0.009933 divided by, sasagot natin sa denominator, which is 0.4898457. So, pag kinalculate natin siya sa calculator, ito na yung lalabas na sagot. So, which is 24,331.69. So, therefore, Mr. Abadudai's fixed monthly payment for his Toyota Hilux is 24,331.69 pesos. So, thank you for watching.